Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's a beautiful day. Come with us as we enjoy a beach day. We are in Beverly Beach, just north of Flagler in Florida. We love this location for the lovely weather, relaxed small town atmosphere, and a short walk across A1A to the beach. Yeah. With all this fun in the sun, it was definitely time for naps. And after naps, we decided to come back out and spend some more time on the beach with our flashlights. Thank you for joining us. If you enjoyed today's adventure, be sure to like and subscribe to join us on the next one. See you soon.